It's me, Dr. Rajkumar, and I work as a senior laparoscopic surgeon and a gastroenterologist for the Burjeel group of hospitals. I tell all my patients to do at least a little bit of exercise every day, to take plenty of leafy green vegetables, take fruits, and try to take non-artificial foods like milk. You can take milk in any form. Like, for example, you can take evaporated milk. If you like your coffee and tea, if you want to use some evaporated milk with it, please make sure that that evaporated milk is low in sugar, which is today the largest killer in the world. Make sure it's low in cholesterol. Please make sure the vitamin D and the calcium have good levels in this evaporated milk. Remember that good health is, at the end of the day, a choice.